Hello everyone. So I want to go over some updates on the channel and try to bring in some new ideas, some new just features for the channel. Went out, bought a little nitro truggy. Used to do some RC cars back in the day and want to try something different, see what kind of if my viewers and subscribers like that kind of thing. Won't get to go to a lot of the events this year that I normally go to, so I'm just branching out into different motorsports, I guess you'd say. Got another channel that I'll be introducing sometime soon, some outdoor stuff. So for this channel, of course, I've got my car, ZL1 that we'll be featuring too on here. My outdoor channel, I do some gun related stuff, some outdoor stuff, maybe some hunts, more nature things. I don't know if I'll do some vlogs occasionally on this channel, but for today we're gonna look at this Losi 8T truggy. It's a ready to run model. First nitro car I've had in many years, probably I don't know, 10-15 years since I've had a nitro car. My last one was a little Revo 3.3. I didn't enjoy it as well. Transmission kept having issues, the motor kept having issues, and just didn't like the performance overall for what I wanted to use it for. I'm not a big basher, I just like playing around with these things. So as far as the use of this, it's just going to be take it to the backyard, jump it around, maybe take it to parks or something like that, and just have fun with it. So if I enjoy it enough and I get enough inquiries and viewers and feedback on this, then I will go out and purchase the Losi 8T 4.0 TLR kit and put it together. Sorry, my dog's barking. And put it together for y'all and build it from scratch and enjoy it, since it's a better made buggy than this. But I just want to start off with something and see where it goes from there. Same with the outdoor channel and the guns thing. We will see where that goes and build the channel up accordingly. So just want to see what everybody wants to see and enjoys on my channel. Of course, I'll still do the outdoor thing, still video with XXX and Rockwell occasionally, and XXX mainly, but do my stuff too. Still have my Razor, my four-wheeler. Of course, my Razor's for sale, but I want to see what my viewers like on my channel and just spark interest. I like a diversity of things, so we'll see what this does. I'm real interested in it. My wife and I went to NDRC in Garland yesterday and watched some races and checking out what they have up there. I mainly went so we can find local parts. Of course, I don't live near Dallas. It's an hour away from me, but at least I know where I can find parts if I start breaking things on this thing. And for the future, if we do go ahead and get the truggy kit. So go ahead and picked up a work pad yesterday, work mat for the car, truggy. And let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So very nice looking truggy. I like the pre-painted body on it. So very good size. I'm real eager to run it. So let's already got a little stand here. Let's set it up on that stand and get these things out. Y'all seen plenty of unboxings, so I'm not going to waste your time with everything, but like I said, I want to mainly do just a quick update on the channel and spark your interest. Give me some feedback, give me some ideas, something I can try, something y'all want to see on the channel. Like I said, I live in East Texas, so I've got a lot of off-road parks around me. Well, I go to several within probably 4 hours or so driving to my house. Go to a bunch of our off-road parks, so we're just gonna see what we can make this year. Last year I went to, I think, 30 something events, so I was gone literally like 30 weekends out of the year. I still have at least 4 events I haven't even made videos on that I went to. My car, my Z01, I'm fixing to put out the video on it. I've been behind on getting everything out. I already purchased the car and everything, so it's just been a busy time for me, for my family, so we're just seeing what's going to happen. So for 2020, we're going to see what interest you have and introduce some more fun. So let's go ahead and get everything going. I've already bought. Sorry for not giving the channel's credit. I have researched what I need for the most part on getting this thing going. I would mispronounce your name, but I went ahead and got some outerwears, skid plates, mud guards, glow plug igniters, chargers, squid cables, thermostat gun, tools, you name it. I've already went out and bought it, fuel out in the garage. So I just want to play around in the yard. I got to build me a ramp so we can play in the yard and try to enjoy this thing. So if you would, just join me in hanging around for a little while on my channel, and let's get this thing going. I'm gonna do some heat cycles through it, run about 4 tanks. I bought some 30% nitro, 9% oil, the BP, that's what it normally comes in for the 30%, and I'm gonna run about 4 tanks through it at idle or a little above idle, and then tune it, and then start playing in the yard with it. So that's my goal for today. So I was doing some yard work, and hopefully we'll get this video out to y'all soon, and then we'll start making some videos playing around with it. So as for today, that's about all I've got. Like I said, I wanted to introduce the car, the Truggy, and then explain a couple updates about my channel, and just been behind on getting videos. I know it's been almost, well, weeks really since I've had any off-road videos, probably a month now. But I'll have my car video up here pretty soon, my Z01 car that is, and then I'll try to get this up and then go from there. So stay tuned and watch for updates, and hopefully, like I said, leave me some comments and feedback. If you like this kind of thing, I'll be using a GoPro 8 or 7 right now. I'll probably buy an 8 soon, black, and have a head mount. I bought a chesty. I don't think it will work with this since the remote will be in my chest area, but I'll wear a head mount for the GoPro. Give you a point of view that I have. See how that works. It's not the easiest to video some of these things when you're by yourself, but we'll see where it goes and what happens. But I sure appreciate everybody's watching it, subscribing it, sharing my videos, and let me know what you want. I'll do my best to try new things and diversify my channel a little bit and bring in new things. So again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you soon. Thanks again. Have a good day.